going to do this into a challenge. At the front here, we've got our little cards that tell us what colour of each item we will be putting in. So there's 4 different coloured slimes. We've got all the different coloured glitter that we added in. This does not come in the kit, but we added this in for an extra fun. And then there's 12 of the fidget toys which come with the kit that we'll have to choose what colour we are going to be putting into our bowls. So who's going first?
Me.
Okay, so you need to pick one of the colours. Just going to sit this outside so that you can see.
Green.
Okay.
It's purple.
Ah, so Harmarny has chosen purple. So I'm going to sit that one out for a minute because I don't want to pick purple because it's not there no more. Purple's my favourite colour.
Yes.
So
Blue's my favourite.
I'm going to go this one. I get pink.
Oh, I thought you would have got blue.
Okay, so we're going to
happy.
close our eyes and move them around a bit
I'm closing my eyes.
so that we don't end up with the same colours. So now we have to open up our slime.
Oh, wrong way.
Can you get it?
I think so. Yep.
We're going to put it into our bowls.
Okay, well, it was so slimy.
It is, it's hard to get out. Oh, come out.
Look at mine, I just grabbed it out. Mine's almost there.
I got it.
I didn't. How do you do it? Oh, it's coming out.
Got it. We got a little bit left in there.
Ew. Oh, your shoes look, oh, they look weird. Oh.
Okay, so this is our slime. Okay, slime's in the bowl. Now it's time to pick what colour.
You go next, because
Okay.
I'm first.
I'm going to close my eyes just so that I don't remember where they are, and I hopefully end up with a different colour. I got pink again. Even I have my eyes closed. So I've got to put pink sprinkles in.
Haha.
Okay.
I'm gonna.
So, whoop,
I
and
closed my
close your eyes.
I'm gonna go for the end. Yellow!
Yellow.
We got a different yellow, guys, because there's no sparkly yellow. I gotta put it in. Oh, which one do we put it?
Okay, so she got yellow. The sprinkles are sticking to my hands. Whoops. And coming out of the container. So, we're going to
That's a lot.
mix
I put a
them
lot
up a
in.
bit. So
I
that
think
we
I put a
can-
lot in.
That's okay.
I
Okay.
make a lot of mess.
So I went first the first time.
Oh, this is sick.
That looks really cool.
It's
Try and
stuck
mix
to
it
my
so that
hands.
try and squish it with your hands so that we can get it to go inside. Yeah, here you go hands. Okay, your turn to pick what colour fidget you're going to be putting inside your slime.
Yellow. Okay.
Yellow. So you're going to choose both of the yellows?
No. Oh,
No?
one.
Just one yellow? Okay. And
Close your eyes. I'm gonna put some.
okay.
Oh, I gotta close my eyes too. Whoop.
Okay, now it's time for me to pick what fidget I'm gonna put in.
Yellow.
Ah, I got yellow.
You need to pick one again.
I got, what's it called? A noodle.
Monkey noodle.
Monkey noodle. Monkey noodle gets to go inside my slime.
My ball isn't going in.
There's my noodle. It's inside my slime.
My ball, look where.
Your ball's inside your slime?
Yeah.
Okay. We need to now take yellow away, guys, because we
Okay,
don't have
please,
any
yeah.
yellow fidgets left. So we're going to choose one more colour fidget to go inside this one. What colour fidget?
Blue.
Oh, you get a pink fidget. You're going to go monkey noodle this time?
There's no other.
Yep, put that in. Okay. So sit that on there and I'll close my eyes. Ready?
I got 2 fidgets in mine.
Green! I get to do green. I'm going to do a green. Do you know what this one is?
No!
No. A green spiky ball.
Yeah, that's what it's called.
This is what it's like.
I can't even see mine.
Choose which one you think turned out the best.
Purple, please.
The pink slime with the pink love hearts that end up all over me. With the yellow monkey noodle with the green ball. Or Harmarny has in hers.
With golden love hearts and a yellow ball and a pink monkey noodle.
Pink is the winner. Vote below. Comment below.
Vote for purple. Hers looks bad. But I like the pink love hearts. I've got love hearts too.
Yeah. So yeah, comment below. We love answering your comments. Don't forget to subscribe. How are we going to subscribe this time? I reckon with your nose. Hit the subscribe button with your nose. Give that a try. So subscribe, turn on the notifications.
And give me a huge thumbs up and do it with your nose, please.
Do it with your nose. And don't forget to comment which one you think is the winner.
Comment mine, which is off